In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your activity log in monday.com. This is really useful when you want to track what's been happening in your account, see recent changes, or understand who did what and when. Let's start from the main monday.com interface. Once you're logged in and on your workspace, look toward the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll usually see your profile area along with the invite button. Just beside that invite button, you'll find your profile icon. This might be your initials, your picture, or a generic avatar, depending on whether you've customized it. To access your activity log, you can click directly on that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will open up. In that menu, look for the option related to your activity or account actions. This is where monday.com lets you review the things you've done recently, such as creating or updating items, changing statuses, or modifying boards. Clicking this option will open your personal activity log, giving you a chronological view of your activity. In some layouts, monday.com also shows a dedicated activity log icon near the top of the interface, close to your profile area. It's usually represented by a small clock or a list style symbol. If you see that icon, you can simply click it to jump straight into your activity log without opening the profile menu first. Both methods lead you to the same place, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once the activity log is open, take a moment to scroll through it. You'll see entries organized by time, so the most recent actions appear at the top. This can help you double-check recent changes, confirm that updates have been saved, or quickly identify who modified a particular item if you're collaborating with a team. As you review the log, remember that it's a great tool for troubleshooting. For example, if something on a board looks different and you're not sure why, the activity log can give you valuable clues by showing the most recent edits related to your account. That's all there is to it. By clicking either your profile icon beside the invite button or the activity log icon near it, you can easily open your activity log in monday.com and keep a clear record of your recent activity.